What you're about to see is deeply disturbing. This is what the TSA thinks is a reasonable and lawful search of a 6-year-old girl. The actions taken by this TSA officer are plainly disgusting and simply unnecessary. The truth is the terrorists have won this war if this is what happens to children when they fly. Not only is this search morally depraved, it's downright unlawful. The agent did not have a warrant from a judge to search this girl, and this type of a search requires a warrant by a judge under the Constitution. Here now is New Jersey State Senator Michael Dougherty, who wants to make it a crime for the TSA to do this at airports or anywhere in New Jersey. Senator Dougherty, it's a pleasure. Welcome back to Freedom Watch.
Great to be with you, Judge.
I have to say that I thought of you when this horrible tape made the rounds, because I know that you're one of the few legislators in the country who's attempted to do something about this. Under legislation that you've introduced in New Jersey, what we just witnessed, and I'm not sure the airport that it happened, but it was at New Jersey, wouldn't it be a crime? Wouldn't it be a felony? And wouldn't state or county prosecutors in New Jersey prosecute this federal TSA agent?
Absolutely, Judge. I've introduced legislation that would make what you saw on that video sexual assault. As you said, there was clearly no warrant issued by a judge in this situation, and this young girl's Fourth Amendment rights have been trampled on. Not only that, a crime of sexual assault has occurred, and I've introduced legislation that would stop this here in the state of New Jersey. If the federal government is not going to stand up for its citizens, then state legislators need to start standing up and protecting our constitutional rights.
It's a very interesting argument that you make, and I want everybody to know that you're a graduate of West Point, that you've served your country in the Army, and that you're also a very prominent lawyer in the state of New Jersey, as well as a liberty-defending state senator. If the federal government refuses to defend the rights of individuals, it is the opportunity and the duty of the states to step in. Question: is there enough attitude shared by others in New Jersey that can become the law?
Well, Judge, this is about the Constitution. I have some Democrats across the aisle have joined this effort, and there has been some promising developments. I'm part of a TSA group, legislators across the United States, from Texas, Pennsylvania, New Hampshire, other states. We're working together to raise public awareness that our Constitution is sacred, that the federal government cannot do whatever it wants in the name of fighting this so-called war on terror, that the Constitution cannot be trampled. And this is just outrageous, what the government is doing. We're supposed to be defending our rights across the world and defending the United States interests, but right here at home, we're losing the war when it comes to preserving our Constitution.
You know what's so frustrating? We can't play her voice because of her age, and her parents didn't want to play the voice. But if you listen to this tape as well as watch it, you hear her crying, saying, "Mommy, I don't want to do this." This is a tough question I'm going to ask you, because I know you're a tough guy, and I don't know what I would do. What would you do if this was your daughter? I can't imagine you or anybody that believes in the value of human life and the sanctity of the body allowing a federal agent to do this to their daughter involuntarily.
Judge, at times we have to have some civil disobedience, and when our rights are being violated, when crimes are being committed, I couldn't stand there as a parent. I would object. I would tell them to stop. I would say there's got to be another methodology here that you can use.
Got it.
Not immediately going to placing their hands.
Senator Dougherty, thanks very much for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you, Judge.
A public school principal has banned kids from bringing in lunches from home. What? The Freedom Files on this one are next.